Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Teresa and this is Teresa's Life Budgeted. And this is my What Are We Saving Wednesday video, where we're going to be saving for our long-term savings goals right now. We're going to start out with our minis. A little bit different today. I talked about it a little bit in my Monday video, but we're going to be lowering the budget just a smidge for this video. And I'm going to be doing, instead of 30, I'm going to do 25 for each. So I'm going to put 25 into my minis, and then we'll put 25 into the Snowball fight collab. My husband's hours are going to get cut a little bit at work, and so we're just budgeting accordingly. So we're going to go ahead and just switch things up a bit. Keep it within our budget, but still able to have a good time. So don't think that you cannot do this if your budget fluctuates. You can always save different each week. You can save whatever you can. It's a fun way to save up some money. So let's go ahead and start out. The way I play mine is we roll a 6-sided die. Whatever it says, we leave that many bills on each of the little piles. We have 6 games we're playing with, 4 returners, and 2 new ones this week. So let's go ahead and get started up here in this corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get us started. Nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2. That was a little crispy there. Let's mix these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we only have 2, but hey, everybody got a little something, so we'll take it. All right, let's move this out of the way and get our games stacked up. So yes, I'm very excited. It was a good week. I got my new battery, got my laptop fixed up and good to go. I'm very excited about that. And yeah, all in all, not too bad of a week last week. So I'm hoping this week will be just as wonderful. Get all my presents decorated, wrapped. Get my last minute shopping done, and then I'm really excited for next weekend. We're doing Christmas cookies, so that should be awesome. Hope everybody is having a great week. But yeah, I hope you're having some fun Christmas magic in your life as well. Alrighty, in our first spot, we have this cutie from Mandy's Budgeting Journey, and I think we're going to be able to finish this one off today. We only need $4 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 2 left, so we'll set this up here and add that to another game. I don't do rollover on these ones. I just simply move it on to the next game. So $4. Woo woo! We're finishing one. I'm very excited about it. I thought this one would be one that was just never going to end. So I'm excited to get this one finished. Get all of our fall stuff moved on and get into the winter. We are definitely in winter here in Michigan now. We got quite a bit of snow last week. So let's pull out our buyback money. We got some 5s, 10s, and a couple of 20s. So this one should be $30 if we did it right. So we've got 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice. All right, woo woo. Got ourselves a mini done. Nice. Speaking of minis, I have 2 Jack Russells, and one of them, her name is Minnie. And she, poor baby, she's had some tummy troubles this weekend. So we came home to a bit of a mess on Friday. So I've just been keeping an eye on her, feeding her bland food. Poor baby. All right, so our next up, we've got our Rory Christmas. This comes from BudgetWithAmanda, and the way we're doing it is $2 for each of the cute little ornaments. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Let's grab one more and make it 4. And that way we can cross off 2 of these. Keep it moving. All right, let's see what we're up to now. This one is now at $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. I love a good pun. What can I say? Next up, we have this one from Save with Glow, her little gingerbread man with his candy cane. And so we're doing $3 for each of the peppermints. So let's see what we got. We need 6 to finish it. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo woo! We got exactly what we needed. That's awesome. So let's put a couple of hearts on there. And finish the second one. Nice. I love it when we keep them moving and we make progress every week. It makes me happy. All right, so this one should have saved us $18. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. Nice. Thank you, Glow, for this awesome little mini. Oop. Sorry, guys. Don't mind me and my noisiness over here. Got to get myself the right clip. All right, next up, I know we definitely didn't finish this one. It's still got a ways to go. This one is coming from Taylor at Taylor Your Budget, and it's a little letter to Santa, and it'll save us $30. So this one got 2 today. So let's go ahead and cross off a 2. I do love this one. I think it's so cute. Let's see what we're up to now. We are now at $5, $6, $7, $8. Slow and steady on that one. Next up, we got one of our new ones. This is coming from Budget with Carly. This is her nice, naughty, never mind, I'll buy my own stuff. I like that one. All right, and this one, we're doing $1 for each of the squares. And it ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Nice. So that's a good start for this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nice. Alrighty, and last but not least, we've got this winter fun savings coming from Books and Finance, and each little icon has a different amount attached to it. So this one got 1, 2, but we're going to pull in this extra for 3. So let's go ahead and cross off this fun little hot cocoa there. I like it. All right, and $3 in that one. So 2 of them completed. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and move this money out of the way. And we'll pull in our $25 for our snowball fight. I like to believe that, you know, the fact that my laptop died on me showed me that I don't have to try to edit every little bit of this out, that I can just talk and we can move through things together. Be a little more transparent and open with everything. So this game we're moving on to next. This is You're Never Too Old for a Snowball Fight. And this is a collab of a lot of wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So we've got Anna from AnnaBananaBudgets. Sorry about that, guys. Dawn from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Lacey at Blue Kiwi Budgets. Sharla at Sharla Mae Budgets. Brittany at BudgetingWithaGinger. Michelle at Lanybug Budgets. Tiffany from Saving with Tiffany. Chris from Crisscross Budgets. Maribel from Mint Dough Co. Tara from Lifted Up and Living. Glow from Save with Glow. And Cheyenne from Simply Made. So each lady made a little game board. And so if you have a A5 binder, these will fit in there perfect. I unfortunately just didn't have one to play with, so I am doing mine in an A6 binder. And so I did make little dashboards. They are free on my Ko-fi account if you'd like a copy. Again, I am not associated with this at all. Nobody asked me to do it. I just did it for my own personal use, and I figured since I spent the time doing it, I'd share it with anybody else who wants it. But if you have an A5, you can totally fit these in there and you have no need for it. But each lady did a little game board. They all had the same game board and decorated it in a different way. And then each game board came with 2 little tokens, or little game pieces. I don't really know what to call these. Little cards that we will draw from to see whose board we're going to play on. It does come with the rules. You can always make up your own rules if you would like. And the way we're going to play it is you start out, once you hit a pile of snowballs, you draw another card and you move on to the next one. We ended up, I believe it was on Maribel's game, and I didn't have enough to complete it, so I just put the money in there and didn't mark anything off. So we're going to start out fresh, and looky there, we're going to start out with Maribel. So let's go ahead and set that there, and we will flip to her game. Here we are. And I'm just going to start each week. We're just going to start out again at the start. And we'll go from there. All right, let's go ahead and roll and see where we land. We got a 1, so we got 2 that we're putting in today. I think I said it already, but we're playing with $25. Roll again. 3, 1, 2, 3. $3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have any fun little game pieces that I get to play with, but we're going to have a good time either way. Then we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1. We made it all the way around. Woo-hoo. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's got 4. Oh my gosh, Maribel, you might get all of our money. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be a roll plus 1. So 6 plus 1, so 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be the shortest snowball fight I think we're ever going to have on here. So we finished that one. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Maribel, you took all of our money today. That is crazy. All right. Well, I doubt we're going to be able to do it, but we're going to go with 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go to Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting with our $1. That is so crazy. Good for you, Maribel. That is awesome. All right, let's go to Dawn's. All right. Nope, that's not right. Where is it? Huh. Weird. I guess I didn't realize that when I was cutting them off that she has a little giraffe on her game pieces, but then she's got little Yetis on there. I didn't even pay attention. Well, let's see. We got a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. It was just meant to be. And Dawn got our $1. I figured for sure she was going to get it and not get marked off. All right. Well, that was pretty fast. Pretty painless, honestly. All right. So let's go ahead and throw Dawn's $1 in. That she's only got 1 as of yet. And the only other person who got any money today was Maribel over here at Mint Dough Co. So this should be $24. And then she had 4 from last time. So let's grab one more. Let's give it a really quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And let's grab a 20 and a 5. So she is now up to $28. That is so crazy. Well, guys, that was super fast. I don't even have anything for my 100 envelope challenge to show you because I'm changing that up as well. So instead of doing a little bit each week, I've decided that I'm going to just save it up for the month and then just do once a month. And that way my husband gets to participate a little bit and he can help me pick out the numbers that we want to color in. So, well, that was a really fast one today. And I guess that's just the way it was meant to work out. All right, guys. What did I do with my cap? Well, she's got to be around here somewhere. I'll find it in a minute. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video as fast as it was. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye. Oh, wait a minute. I lied. Let's go ahead and put our 2 minis that we finished away into our envelope. So let me get this put away real quick. That is so crazy. I can't get over that. That is so funny. All right. Good job, Maribel. But, all right, we did finish, however. Oop, wrong pile, wrong pile. We did finish 2 minis. One from Mandy at Mandy's Budgeting Journey and one from Glow at Save with Glow. So thank you, ladies, so much for helping us to save. And we're going to go ahead and put that into our envelope here. I'm super excited. It is so full that it has to stand up right now. Usually they stay collapsed. So yay! I'm so excited. We are making some progress this month. I know a lot of it is because we are doing so much more of the minis and things like that. But it's just so exciting to look in there and see progress. So if you feel like you don't have a lot that you get to save with, switch to doing a few more of the minis maybe. It might make you feel excited about it. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.